Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. Here we will discuss positively weighted binary coded decimal codes means BCD codes. To write any numbers in any number system means whether it is decimal number system or it is a BCD number system. When most significant digit has come into picture, we cannot neglect it. Take an example of the decimal number system. When we write 9, 10 then 11, we can see here when tens place when there is 1 when we write 10 we cannot write 0 at this place to write the higher number means there should be 1 to write the next higher number. Same rule is followed when we write the BCD codes. Some BCD codes are self-complementary codes and some are not. The codes which are not self-complementary make the next higher number with the possible least significant weights, and for the self-complementary codes write the numbers up to 4 and rest are the complements of the previous numbers means 0 to 4. Now we'll see how can we write these codes. 8421 and 5421 are the weights of the numbers and these are not self-complementary BCD codes. Now we'll write the BCD codes against these decimal numbers. Now we will write 0 as it is 0, so we will put 0 at all places. Now we'll write 1 as it has weight 1, so we will put 1 here and all other places will be. Now we'll write 2, so we will place 1 against this place means 2 and other places will be 0. Now we'll write 3. We can make 3 using these two digits means least significant digits. 2 plus 1 3, so we'll put here 1 and other places will be 0. Now we'll write 4 as it has weight 4, so we'll put 1 here and others will be 0. Now we'll write 5, so we can make 5 using 4 plus 1 5, so we'll put 1 here against 4 and 1 here and others will be 0. Now we'll write 6. We can make 6 using 4 plus 2 6, so we'll put 1 and 1 at these places and others will be 0. Now we'll write 7 will be 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1 7, so we'll put 1 against 4 2 1 and others will be 0. Now we'll write 8 as it has weight 8, so we'll put 1 here and others will be 0. To write 9 we can use 8 and plus 1 9, so we'll put 1 at these places 1 and others will be 0. Now we write 5421 BCD code against these decimal digits. As it is 0, so all the places will be 0. Now it has weight 1, so we'll put 1 here and others will be 0. Now we'll write 2 at it has 2, so we'll put 1 here and others places will be 0. Now we'll write 3 will be 2 plus 1 3, so 1 3 and others will be 0. Now we'll write 4 as it has weight 4, so we'll put 1 here and other places will be 0. Now we'll write 4 as it has 5 already as weight, so we will put 1 here and others will be 0. We will write 6 as 5 plus 1 6, so we will put 1 here and 1 here and others will be 0. We cannot use these two places for making the 6 because we have already used this most significant digit, so we cannot use these two digits. Now we will make 7, so to make 7 we will use this 5 and 2 because we have already used this one. It will be according to the rule, so it will be 1 and this will be 0. Now we'll make 8, so for making 8 we will use 5 this one and 3 using this and others will be 0 because it is the most significant digit and for making it we can use only these two digits. Now we will make 9. For making 9 we will use this and this 1 and 1, others will be 0. 2421 and 5211 are the self-complementary codes. To write these codes we will write the numbers only up to 4 and rest will be the self-complement of these numbers. So first we will write for 0 0 0 0 0 and 1 is as it has 1, so we'll put 1 here and others will be 0. For 2 it will be 2, it has 2, so we'll put 2 here. We will make first using the least significant digits. To make 3 we will use these 2 and 1 and rest will be 0. To make 3 we cannot use this one too because it is most significant, and to make 4 it already has the least significant one. Now to make 4 we will put 1 here and rest will be 0. Now these are the self complement of these digits. So we find the 9's complement of these digits. 9's complement of 4 is 5, means 9 minus 4 equals to 5. So it is the 9's complement of 4. So we'll complement the bits 1 0 1 1. This is complement of this and this is complement of this. So it will be 1 1 0 0, and 2 is the complement, 9's complement of 7. So it will be, this is 1 1 0 1, and 8 is the complement of this 1. So it will be 1 1 1 0, and 0 is the complement, 9 is the complement 0. It will be 1 1 1 1. So these are the BCD codes for self-complementary BCD codes for decimal numbers. Now will we write the BCD code for 5421 against these decimal numbers. So it will be 0 0 0, and for 1 it will be 0 0 0 1, as it is 1 here. First we will use least significant digits, and to make 2 we will use least significant digits first. So it will be 1 plus 1 2, 0 0 are the rest. And now we'll make 3. We will use this 2 1 and this least significant 1. We will put 0 here, because first we will use this 2 and this least significant bit, because according to the rule first we will use the most significant one and then the least significant one. Now we will make 4, as it does not have 4, so we will make using these digits 1 1 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, rest are 0. So we have completed up to 4. Now we will write according to the self complement property. As 4 and 5 are self complement to each other, so we will revert this 1 0 0 0. This is self complement and this is the self complement of this. Revert this 1 0 1 0, and this is self complement of this. So it will be 0 0, it will be 1 1 here, and it will be 0 0. Now this is self complement of this, so it will be 1 1 1 and 0, and self complement of 0 is 9, so it will be 1 1 1 1 here. So this is the way to write the self complement BCD codes.